It's not how much you earn, it's how much you waste. You can be making 6 figures and still end up broke if your money habits are broken. What's wild is that most people have no idea they're sabotaging their future every single day, without even thinking twice. So today, we're shining a light on 15 things poor people waste money on, and how to stop the bleeding. This might sting a little, but if you stick around until the end, it could change your financial future forever. Number 1, credit cards. Using a credit card isn't just about debt. It's about borrowing from your future self, and with interest. Most people swipe now and suffer later, treating credit like it's free money. But here's the truth. The moment you go into debt, your time no longer belongs to you. You're not working for your dreams anymore. You're working to pay off yesterday's decisions. Maxing out credit cards for dinners, gadgets, and treat yourself moments is just modern-day slavery in a prettier package. Number 2, impulse buys. Let's talk about those random Amazon packages stacking up at your door. The 6th phone case, the novelty socks, the trendy air fryer you use twice. These aren't purchases, they're distractions. You're not shopping, you're self-soothing. Marketing tells you it's a need. Your brain says it's a treat, but your wallet knows better. Learn the difference between a want and a need, and you'll start seeing your money multiply. Number 3, food waste. Throwing away thousands. You ever cleaned out your fridge and felt personally attacked? Wilted lettuce, moldy bread, expired yogurt you meant to eat. The average household throws away thousands of dollars in food every year. You're literally throwing money in the trash because you shopped with your stomach, not your schedule. Poor or not, food waste hits hardest when you can't afford to lose money in the first place. Plan better. Buy smarter. Eat what you have. Your fridge shouldn't be a graveyard of good intentions. Number 4, fitness fads and fake solutions. You saw the ad. Some influencers promoting a miracle tea that melts belly fat in 10 days. And for just $49.99, you're one step closer to your dream body. Stop. Right. There. It took years to gain the weight. You think it's going to vanish because of a powder and a promise? The truth. Real fitness is free. Walk. Run. Do push-ups. Eat less junk. Drink water. You don't need gear. You need grit. Discipline beats detox. Every single time. Number 5, in-app purchases and gaming addictions. Digital games are designed to drain you of your time and your money. A free game becomes a $1,000 habit real fast when you're buying extra lives, skins, boosts, or upgrades. Fortnite, Candy Crush, you name it. Millions are spent on pixels that disappear the moment the power's off. The biggest loss: time. You could have built a side hustle in the hours you spent gaming. You're leveling up a character, but staying stuck in real life. Number 6, always chasing the latest tech new iPhone drops. You're already lining up, even though the one in your hand works just fine. This isn't about functionality, it's about FOMO. You're buying the feeling of being caught up, even when your finances are falling behind. You don't need the newest gadget. You need a financial foundation. And here's the kicker. Wealthy people often hold on to tech longer because they know value isn't measured by release dates. Number 7, balling at the club. Let's be real. There's nothing powerful about spending your entire paycheck on one night at the club. Poppin' bottles doesn't mean you've made it. It means you're pretending. Clout isn't currency. What's worse, you're doing it for people who are just as broke, trying to look like they're not. Here's what the rich say: I never see you at the club, and I never see you at the bank. Let that one marinate. Number 8, gambling and lottery tickets. You've heard it. You gotta spend money to make money. But they weren't talking about scratch-offs and slot machines. Gambling is literally a business built on your losses. The house always wins, because it's rigged too. The poorest households spend the highest percentage of their income on lottery tickets. That's not hope. That's a hidden tax on desperation. Number 9. Smoking and vaping. You might not notice it day to day, but over a year, that daily cigarette adds up to thousands. Multiply that over a decade, and you could have bought a car or taken a year off work. Smoking doesn't just kill your lungs, it bleeds your wallet dry. And if both partners smoke, one of you is working full-time just to fund the habit. Vaping. Same trap, different flavor. Number 10. Bank fees and traditional saving. You think you're being smart putting money in the bank, but with inflation outpacing interest, your savings are actually shrinking. Add in overdraft fees, ATM charges, minimum balance penalties. Your own money is costing you. We're not saying don't save. We're saying learn where money actually grows. Cash sitting still is cash dying slow. Number 11. Overpaying taxes. This one's controversial, but true. Poor people pay more in taxes percentage-wise because they don't know how to play the game. They don't start businesses. They don't leverage deductions. They don't invest in assets that grow tax-free. Meanwhile, the wealthy get rewarded for creating value. It's not a cheat code, it's the rules of the game. You can complain, or you can learn how to play it. Number 12. Trying to look rich. Let's end with this. You don't need to look successful to be successful. 2 people get $2,000. One buys bottles, rents a car, flexes for Instagram. The other invests it, earns 10%, and builds real wealth. Guess which one's broke next month? Looking rich is easy. Being rich takes discipline. The goal isn't to impress people who don't matter. It's to create freedom for yourself and your family. We started with spending habits, but we're really talking about something deeper. Your values, your patterns, your vision. You don't need to earn more. You need to stop leaking money. We all make mistakes. But the difference between staying broke and building wealth, it's the decision to grow. So if you're ready to start taking control of your money, your mindset, and your future, drop the word GROW in the comments. That one word might be the line between the life you have and the life you want. Thanks for sticking with us. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial wake-up call. We handpicked a few more videos that'll help you level up. Check those out next. And we'll see you next Sunday.